Hey buddy, Thomas here. Quick little video. Haven't cut any wood here recently. Been swamped at work, and now I'm working on my septic system. It's fantastico. We also got a new puppy. I'll tell you a story about that a little bit later on. So, septic was backing up. You know, you could hear some gurgling and stuff like that. So I went ahead, came out here, and it was just slam full. I went ahead and got it pumped out 2 weeks ago, and it did okay for 2 weeks, and then it slammed full again. So did a lot of research online, kind of looking at things. There's a couple things that I'm thinking is what it is. I found this elbow here. This is the end of the run for the field line, and I've got I think there's 4 lines that run out through there, because you can see 2 of them right there. I didn't dig any more that way because I don't need to go that way. I'm gonna be going this way. But what I have found is lots and lots of roots. I mean, monster roots from probably that live oak tree over there. The old pipe system that was here, yeah, has roots all in it too. So I'm thinking that it was the culprit last time, and that is the culprit this time. This section right here, just in front of the actual elbow, is where I ran into a large root system. So tomorrow, when I get this elbow off, I'm hoping I can clean out that pipe right there. I think that's where my holdup is. Also, I went over here. Sorry, I sank into a hole here. I went over here. I did dig out a little bit around my field lines, and I think I have a biomat issue as well, because once I removed rock away from there, it started flowing out quite heavily. And as you can see, it is starting to flow down that way a little bit. See a little bit of trickle over there. So that's good. I am getting some flow out of here now. I'm going to open up this whole big area right here to put in a couple more lines. The hole that I've dug today, let me get up on here and I'll show you. Oh, watch out, puppy. Oh, it's a mess. The hole that I've dug is quite massive, and this has been done with the tractor and everything. My buddy said I could use his excavator, but that would be tomorrow, and I want to get a kickstart on this because I think for me, by myself, it's going to be a little more than a one-day job. But yeah, we are making progress. This is what I've been just having so much fun with. I'm going to get some rock and everything tomorrow, get the pipes, and then hopefully hook this system up, add 2 more legs onto there, and hopefully kiss this goodbye and not have to deal with any more septic issues, because this has been just absolutely a blast. Because initially I found this pipe here, then I found the old pipes, then I found the really old pipes, which was ceramic stuff. It's like chasing pipe after pipe. So then I started finding some new pipe, and it was, yeah, all good. So it's about to rain. Hopefully it won't rain much and fill up my hole, but I gotta get in. It's also cold. So short little video, just kind of letting you know what's up. I'm dealing with a crappy situation. But what I'm also gonna do, I've got this right here, this Roebic leach and drain field treatment. A lot of people have said this is what they do to get rid of a biomat situation. We'll see. But also, as you can see, we have lots and lots of micro roots off these tree systems. And heck, you can see that root coming out of there. I'm just ridiculous with roots. So tomorrow, when I get into there, that's what's going to be the telltale right there. Tell me how many roots I have in there. I don't see any roots that way. It's just, I think it's right here in this little section, which I've been trying to dig out. All right, please like, subscribe. More information to come, and I'll let you know how this stuff works, because I'm going to put this in here momentarily and let this system kind of sit overnight before I tie into the new stuff. Stay tuned.